Benzac AC 5%. The product described appears to be Benzac AC5, a water-based gel containing 5% benzoyl peroxide and acrylates copolymer, AC beads. Indication of Benzac. Number 1. Acne treatment. Benzac AC5 is primarily used to treat mild to moderate acne. Benzoyl peroxide works by reducing the amount of acne-causing bacteria and helping to unclog pores. Number 2. Use in sebum absorption. The Acrylates Copolymer beads absorb excess sebum oil from the skin. Number 3. Use is moisturizing. The beads release glycerin, which helps to moisturize dry or irritated skin. Dose of Benzac AC. Application: apply a thin layer of the gel to the affected areas of the skin. Frequency: typically used once or twice daily, depending on the severity of the acne and the skin's tolerance. It's often recommended to start with once daily to assess skin sensitivity. Contraindications: allergy: do not use if you are allergic to benzoyl peroxide or any other. Ingredients in the product: skin conditions, avoid using on broken, sunburned or severely irritated skin. Pregnancy, breastfeeding, consult a healthcare provider. Before use if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. How to use. 1. Cleanse, wash the affected area with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. 2. Apply, use clean hands or a cotton swab to apply a thin layer of the gel to the affected areas. 3. Avoid sensitive areas. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and mucous membranes. 4. Moisturize, if dryness occurs. Consider using a non-comedogenic moisturizer.